So, what's going on, guys? It's out here right now. It's pouring rain in Kingman. I'm actually on my way to go rent a U-Haul truck because a gentleman is going to give me a bunch of small engines. So, I'm going to take you guys along for this journey, show you guys what I'm getting. You guys are going to be surprised with one of them, straight up. I know it's like the worst day to do it, but he really needs his trailer cleaned off. And my goddamn dog jumped out. Nala, what are you doing? It's raining. Get your ass back inside. Bad dog. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Nala. She knows she's in trouble. Good dog. Good dog. So yeah, guys, when I get this truck, we'll continue from there. So U-Haul did us dirty, so we got to take One Way Willie, my friend's rape van, but it'll work for what we're doing. Okay, we're almost out to go get the stuff. We finally made it all the way out here to White Hills, Arizona. Buddy Tom at the wheel. Yeah, look, see? Shut up back there! My wife was real happy about that, huh? Oh, Jesus Christ.
No, I'm saying if she bitches, hell, I can replace her easy.
Yeah, you don't want to replace your old lady. You love her. Okay. Okay, thank you.
You want a freezer?
Does it work? We don't have room for that now.
What? I was going to say, if you want a deep freezer, it works.
Let me look at it. Thank you, Hawkeye. I appreciate you.
Huh?
I said thank you. I appreciate this stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, I can really use this motorcycle too.
Check out that 10 horse and see if that fire's over.
Which one?
The 10 horse, Evinrude.
Oh yeah, the Evinrude?
Yeah, maybe if we work the labor into the thing.
Oh, you want to see if I can't fix it for you? Is this the deep freezer?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I just won't take that.
It works, so that's...
Yeah, I don't think I need one of those. Okay, you're gonna go unlock the gate?
Yep. When you hunt fish, you need to...
Right. Okay, so now I'm gonna go home, unload this stuff, and I'm gonna let you guys know. You caught a little tree on your antenna. Why'd you get all the trash, bro?
Oh, it's a courtesy.
I know, but I was gonna leave the trash.
Oh, that's why he gave you that stuff, so you gotta take it all. So you can get it out of his life. Use the trailer.
So, look back there, we got a bunch of shit. We even took the trash too. Tom, good guy Tom.
Well,
You know.
that was what he got out of it. So he put it off his trailer.
Yeah, I feel. Well, you know, it's a nice thing. But hey, I got a nice badass motorcycle and a few boat motors and 2 DeWalt pressure washers. The broken one.
Yeah.
So I gotta look at them first before I figure out which one's yours. Those pumps are worth money.
They're 3,800 PSI.
I know, I'm excited. So as soon as I unload all this shit, probably today or tomorrow, I'll show you guys what I'm working with. Also hit that subscribe button because you guys don't want to miss me repairing all this stuff. See you later, Hawkeye. Thank you, man. Now here all the way the fuck 50 miles away from my house. Jesus Christ. What do you think about the stuff, Tom?
I think we're halfway done with the objective.
Do you like the motorcycle?
Badass.
Yeah, that's what I'm all about.
I think they call him a fat cat.
Yeah, you guys are gonna love it. Okay. So I can finish this video up. I got a DeWalt 38 PSI. This thing's fine. I think I just need to put oil in it, put the oil cap on there. This, I got 2 of them. I gave one to my buddy Tom, who helped me, and his said it fired right up after I cleaned the carburetor out a little bit. So I got a Mantis tiller. I know they ain't worth much, but they're fun to repair. I could probably get about 50 bucks for it. I got an Evinrude boat motor. I could probably get 150, 100 for it. It'll be a fun repair. I got another little Mercury boat motor, trolley motor. I got an electric trolley motor, and I got this Mercury 9.8 boat motor. But the Coupe de Gras, babies, the main thing I went there for is for this this right here, this Fat Cat looking mini bike. It needs a lot of work, but it's going to be a great video. And I'm excited to have one of these, you know, my own mini bike thing. And I got it for free, so I'm pretty stoked. Pretty fucking stoked about it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little journey I took you on. It was pretty fun. It was raining, not raining. It's Kingman weather for you. Arizona's bipolar weather. But, you know what? I had fun, and I got the motorcycle out of it. That's all I really wanted. If I fix it up, I can keep it. I guarantee I can get about $800 to $900 for it. So, I mean, straight up for free, you can't beat that price. I mean, I paid nothing. I paid Tom gas money. And I bought him a pizza and a beer, you know what I mean? But no, I really appreciate Tom's help for this, you know, because U-Haul did us dirty, rented out my truck. But this ain't a trash talking U-Haul video. I hope you guys appreciate it. I hope you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell so you can see some of these repairs coming up of the stuff I picked up. And if you guys like more videos like this, you know, just kind of like a vlog mechanic thing, let me know. Hit that like button. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time.